If you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. That is what 12-minute affiliate is claiming to you. And if you search on YouTube 12-minute affiliate review, most of these are pushing this program to you because they want to earn affiliate commissions when you buy it. But in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the truth about this system and a few secrets that you must know before purchasing. I am not going to promote this product in any way. I only give you all the information you need to decide whether or not 12-minute affiliate system is good for you or not. Welcome to Learn to Make Honest Money Online. My name is Roope Kiuttu, I'm from Finland, and it's my mission to help you to make a life-changing income online. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe right now so you will not miss out any new videos when I show you different ways how you can make money online. For example, here 7 ways to make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. Earn up to $2,000 for one click. And here I show how I made $3,000 in one day with one affiliate program. So there are a lot of videos where you can learn how to make money. But in this video we are going to focus on 12-minute affiliate. Does it work? And what is inside the system? Should you buy it or shouldn't you buy it? Are there better alternatives? I'm going to answer all your questions in this video, so stay tuned. 12-minute affiliate system is created by Devon Brown. Let me show you this man right here. He's well known for being a speaker, for example, in ClickFunnels events, which is a big event for digital marketers. And he has also been partnered up with Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins when they had this mastermind launch for the big course. So he has definitely partnered up with some big names in this internet marketing and personal development industry, including Russell Brunson, also the founder of ClickFunnels. But what about his system, 12-minute affiliate? Does it really work? First of all, you need to know what is inside the system. So let me show you here from Nick's video. He has shown here. So they have basically this so-called 12-minute setup. It's not going to take you 12 minutes, it's more like 60 or 30 minutes depending on your prior experience level. But basically what you will do is to create a free affiliate account autoresponder, so you will pay maybe $20 per hour minimum for that, and then you set up your autoresponder, you activate your 12-minute affiliate funnels, and if you want you can buy more done for you systems and buy more done for you traffic from them. That's basically their system. And again, this is going to require you first buying 12-minute affiliate, then buying autoresponder, and then buying done for you traffic. So I would say that it would require minimum, like let's say $500 to $1,000 if you want to buy the traffic. If you don't want to buy the traffic, then it's only $10 to get started with their system, and then $60-70 every month for maintaining the system, and then also for the autoresponder, email autoresponder. Let me show you here. They have these two different systems, and this is, in my opinion, this is a little bit like tricky what they do here. So basically they say that you can test drive the system for $10, then you can keep it for $47 per month, or you can get it now for like $400. This is quite tricky, like they don't have much training inside the system. Like they have a couple of like sheets and like short ebooks. They don't have any comprehensive like affiliate marketing training, as you have seen for example in Wealthy Affiliate, that took me from a complete beginner to making thousands of dollars every single month online with affiliate marketing. 12-minute affiliate, they promise themselves, take a look at here, if you can order a pizza you can make money with this system. Basically what they teach like in their core training is to set up the system like, and then start promoting their own program. And this for me, it resembles a pyramid scheme, because you buy a program and then you start immediately promoting the program to other people. Like, where is the other training? Like if you want to promote something else, yes, they also show promotion for other products inside the system, but the primary focus seems to be on promoting 12-minute system. One of the reasons why I personally don't want to promote this system is that it's relatively new, and if I promote something to you or something on my YouTube channel, I want it to be like 100% reliable, and it has a good background, and it's proven to work over the long term. Such as Wealthy Affiliate, for example, it was created 15 years ago. They teach affiliate marketing step by step, and I will leave you a link in the description for that, because that's something that I can wholeheartedly recommend, because it has been proven to work over the course of 15 years, unlike 12-minute affiliate system that has just popped up. Also, another problem that I have with this is that they make it sound like too easy, like order a pizza, make money with this system. It's not like that in reality. Like, I have made money with affiliate marketing already for several years, and I have seen more than 16,000 people firsthand getting started with their affiliate marketing journey. And the truth is that most people fail, most people quit, because it requires real effort. It doesn't come like ordering a pizza. And then they talk about all these done for you systems here. You can see here in Nick's review, done for you setup, done for you traffic. Done for you setup, that may be okay. You set up the systems, you pay somebody money, but that doesn't make you any money. It just costs you money. Done for you traffic, that also costs you money. It means that you get people to see your offer, and that is also very risky, because if you want to do that, you may need to invest maybe $500, $1,000 minimum to start seeing any significant results with it. And still, if you would do it, you are not guaranteed to get any results. You may spend $500, $1,000 and you may still make $0. By the way, if you enjoy that I'm revealing these facts to you, make sure that you smash up the like button and share this video for all of your friends who may be considering joining 12-minute affiliate, so they know all these things beforehand. Another reason why I don't want to promote this 12-minute affiliate system at the moment is that the training is very limited. That I know that beginners would have a very hard time getting started and making a lot of money with this, because it's so limited. Unlike wealthy affiliate that walks you through basically hand by hand, step by step. Like, let me show you just here, just to compare with you. They have all these like tasks, do this, do this, do this. Then they have the support, like live chat, discussions, more than 2 million members helping you out. So it's completely on a different planet. And on Wealthy Affiliate, you can get started for free, by the way. It's also different than 12-minute affiliate system. And if you buy 12-minute affiliate system, they don't provide you any websites or any hosting or any keyword tools. On Wealthy Affiliate, you get free website, you get hosting for that website if you get the premium. Then you have a keyword tool. Then you have this affiliate programs tool that has hundreds of affiliate programs. So it's much more comprehensive. And if you compare the pricing, for Wealthy Affiliate, you can start for free. 12-minute affiliate, you need to pay. Then if you want to stay as a member, it's $47 per month for this 12-minute affiliate. In Wealthy Affiliate, it's $49 per month, so it's $2 more, but it gives you all the tools, like this website hosting that normally costs like $30-40 per month, and here you don't get it. Then you also get the keyword tool. Similar is like another similar keyword tool is like $40-50, so that's get included. Comparing prices, Wealthy Affiliate beats 12-minute affiliate like 6-0. Like, Wealthy Affiliate is completely on another level. And of course, that's why I feel good recommending Wealthy Affiliate much more rather than 12-minute affiliate. I may also in the future promote 12-minute affiliate if they improve the things. Like, if it becomes more comprehensive and I feel that beginners could get more value out of it, then I may start promoting 12-minute affiliate. But at the moment, I see that it's not on the same level like Wealthy Affiliate. I see that beginners will more likely get results with Wealthy Affiliate training in the long run than with 12-minute affiliate. So that's why, for example, for you, if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend getting started with this one. Also, if you want to take 12-minute affiliate, go ahead. You can take both. They are very cheap, like $10, then like $50 per month, something like that. Go ahead, no problem with that. But I would say, like, with my years of experience in this industry, you will most likely learn much more inside Wealthy Affiliate than with this system. I would love to hear from you, like, if you have bought both of them, which one were better in your opinion, like Wealthy Affiliate or 12-minute affiliate? Because one of the biggest things for making money with affiliate marketing is getting traffic, and how, like, basically Devon Round system is aiming to solve it is providing this so-called done for you traffic. But that's only like a perfect business model for them. Like, first of all, they sell you this system, then they tell you start promoting our system, so they will earn even more money for that. Then they tell you, hey, buy our done for you setup service, they earn more money for that. Then they say buy our get done for you traffic, they get more money for that. So it's a perfect business model for them, because you basically buy their system, you pay money for promoting them, basically. So that's a perfect for Devon. Like, I believe he will make like millions with this. It's a new program, so probably he hasn't made millions yet, but if he keeps on improving it and many people start joining it, I guess he will make millions, because you would first buy the product and buy more product, then more product, then more product, so they keep on getting more and more money from you. Unlike, for example, with Wealthy Affiliate, you can get started basically with zero cost, because you learn how to make money by blogging, which you can do 100% free and you don't need to pay for that. Basically the only cost will be the website hosting, the premium membership, which is like really like ridiculously cheap. I don't understand how they can provide it for so cheap price inside Wealthy Affiliate. By following the steps that I learned inside Wealthy Affiliate training, I have got like millions and millions of traffic to my content, so that's a lot. And if you would buy that kind of amount of traffic from here, that would cost millions of dollars, because it's usually $1 per click or something like that. So you can imagine, like, free traffic can be much better for you if you are starting with not a lot of money. And I know that a lot of people who have been watching my channel, maybe you don't have like thousands of dollars to spend right away, so in that sense also Wealthy Affiliate will be better for you. But if you have a lot of money, then you can go ahead and buy both programs. But be careful, I want to say be careful if you buy many affiliate programs, because then you may get distracted. That's why I always say to people, if they get started in Wealthy Affiliate and there are other training products, like for example Legend Marketer, that's what I bought. Let me show you here, and I made $3,000 in a day with this. And sometimes people ask me, hey, should I also get Legend Marketer? You are saying it's great. I say maybe, like if you are still going through the step-by-step training here in Wealthy Affiliate, go through that fully. I would say that go through that fully and then learn everything here, and maybe later then go through the Legend Marketer training, because optimally you don't want to go through two training programs at the same time. You first want to focus on one and later you go through the other one, so you can learn more and more, rather than learning something here, and then you get distracted. Focus is the key, my friend. Focus on something. Like also when you start getting traffic, focus on one strategy. Here inside this 12-minute affiliate, they gave this like 16 different ways to get traffic for you. And of course you may think like, okay, it sounds wonderful, 16 different ways to get traffic. Yes, but you should just pick one way to get traffic, focus on that. For example, get traffic through blogging, or get traffic, for example, by creating YouTube videos, or by Instagram marketing, or by Facebook, or whatever. Focus on one traffic way, because by doing that you will achieve success much faster, based on my experience after seeing thousands of people doing this. If you have any questions for me about 12-minute affiliate or making money online with affiliate marketing in general, let me know in the comments, because I read your comments personally. Also, get started inside Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to get my one-on-one support as a free bonus, I have decided that I want to help as many people as possible to make money online. So if you click the link in the description and join through my affiliate link, I will give my personal support as a free bonus. I don't charge you anything for that. I will provide you tips, support, you can ask me anything, and I will see you inside the community. I know from my personal experience what it takes to go from a complete beginner without any prior knowledge to making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing, so I'm 100% sure that I can help you as well. But alright, click the link in the description and we will see you inside Wealthy Affiliate, and thank you very much for watching, my friend. We will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.